All right, now part 3, importing the content that you created in your shell course into your real Canvas course, the real course you're going to use this year. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the real course, and remember we put a little image so we know which one it is. Go ahead and open that course. On the top right, it says import existing content. Go ahead and select that. Type of course, it's copy a Canvas course. And remember, this is going to give you everything. Select the course. So for Mrs. Garcia, I know that it's called, I don't know what it's called. So I'm not going to do it for her for real because I don't want to mess up her stuff. But you find the course. You want to do all content, or if you just want to do parts of it, you can just do specific content. But here's the important part: adjust events and dates. You want to remove all dates. That way, if you had due dates or assignment dates, they'll all disappear and you can set them up fresh. If you pick specific content, you're going to get to pick that down below. So I'm going to hit import content. It says waiting for selection. If you do all, it'll just all come in. And it does take a few minutes. So maybe I just want to import this one assignment. I can drill down. I want that one assignment. That's all I want. But if you're doing your whole course, just do the whole course at once. Select content. It's running and it's going to pop in. Okay, it says it's complete. So now if I go to Mrs. Garcia, that was a quiz that I imported there. You should be able to see it here somewhere. And there it is. Now, if I imported modules, they would be here, but I didn't. Your home page, everything should be there if you import the whole course. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, shoot me an email at andrea.earl@sausd.us. Hope you have a great school year.